Well, good evening, YouTube. What we have here is a star delta control system for an RPC that's eventually going to be 15 horsepower. The difference about this one is especially made for a 9-wire motor. Usually 9-wire motors present a difficult path to switch them and all that, and as you can see by this control spaghetti mess here, that's what it takes to do it. Basically we're feeding this with single phase power into a large contactor. The large contactor is distributing the power through the overload relay, which is set to the maximum amperage of 40 amps. It's running through a couple of contactors in order to start the 3-phase motor. That will be the idler in star, and then by turning a selector dial, the motor will switch to run in the delta. At the same time as the switch is made, it starts an SSR timer, which controls the output contactor and the overload relay to run intended motors down the line. This particular setup has a 3-phase, 3 horsepower, 450 RPM Dayton motor. It's going to run a A.O. Smith 3-phase motor, 1750 RPMs, and we're going to do all of this with just a single capacitor. It has a 3-wire control. At the switch, 2 indicator lights. After we start this, it'll start the motor in the Y configuration. We'll make a switch. As the timer sets, it'll pull in the output timer. An indicator will light at the same time as that motor starting. The motor has a slight lag because the phase indifference, and we're just using a capacitor to start it, but it's very happy to be running in Y right now. Timer's going to start, and in a few seconds the motor will start. And that motor started like there's no lag at all or anything. So this is actual proof of concept that a 9-wire motor can be wired up star delta. Thanks for watching.